Modern homes deserve modern upgrades for your furry family members. Introducing Catios of Texas, where safety meets style. Your cats deserve the best: space to play, explore, and soak up the outdoors. All while staying safe from harm. Whether it's a cozy nook or a sprawling adventure zone, our modern Catios are designed to fit your lifestyle and your home. Give your cats the freedom they love and the safety they need. Elevate your cat's life. Catios of Texas. Style, safety, adventure. Text Todd now for all it's worth.